Hey folks, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into something crucial, the top 5 mistakes buyers are making in 2023. Trust me, you want to know all these mistakes before you're signing any contracts. Alright, mistake number 1, getting pre-approved. Look, if you walk into a store not knowing your budget, you'll either overspend or underspend, right? Well, in real estate, overspending can mean decades of financial burden for you and your family. Example, let's say you eye a $600,000 home, but only get pre-approved or approved for $500,000. Well, there you go, folks. Oops, you wasted your time and you have broken dreams. Moving on to mistake number 2, ignoring the fine print. You think you're buying a $500,000 home, but once you start adding condo fees or property taxes, maybe special assessments, or suddenly you have renovations to do, etc. Well, guess what? Next thing you know, you're buying a $550,000 home. So it's really important to look at all the fine print. Here comes mistake number 3, falling in love too fast. So you walk into a house, it's got the wraparound porch, the beautiful decor that you've been dreaming of, and you're ready to commit. Hold on there, cowboy. Have you checked the local schools? Have you looked at the zoning? Is that forest behind the home, is that going to be a forest forever? Or are they planning to build condos next year? That's something you need to know. I mean, love can be blind, but in real estate, you definitely should be. On to mistake number 4, skipping the inspection. Let's say you find a charming older home. It's easy to overlook the outdated electrical, the old plumbing that needs to be replaced, etc. That's why a professional inspection can reveal those costly costs so you can make an informed decision. Trust me, a few $100 ahead of time could save you hundreds of thousands of dollars. Don't skip an inspection. Finally, mistake number 5, going at it alone. I get it, you're a DIY kind of person, but consider this. You wouldn't perform surgery on yourself, would you? Well, a good real estate broker is like a surgeon. Skilled and knowledgeable, they can negotiate better deals, avoid the pitfalls, and even get you some of those extras that you didn't even think were possible. It's important to be well protected in a real estate transaction. If this kind of content lights you up, please smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and let us know down below in the comments some of the questions you may have that you want us to talk about in future videos. Alright, let's wrap this up for today. These mistakes are more than pitfalls, they're bottomless pits. And they could swallow all your real estate dreams and your budget whole. So avoid them, and you're not just a step closer to your dream home, you're a leap closer. I'll catch you in the next video. And again, my name is Jonathan Mailhot, real estate broker with Team Mailhot of RE/MAX in the area. And thanks for watching.